Next in Java, we are going to do multi-level inheritance. So here in demo 8 package, I'm creating one more class. I'm naming it as multi-level inheritance. And this is going to be our main class. So this is our package and this is our main class. In single level inheritance, we have seen that there is a single child class which inherits the property of parent class. But here we can have multiple classes. For example, here this is our class add. After this class, I'm creating one more class sub which extends add. Now add is parent of this sub. After this, I'm creating one more class multi which extends sub. Now this is parent class to sub and sub is child class of this add. Now this multi is extending sub, that means for multi this sub is parent class. Here sub is extending add, that means sub is inheriting all the properties of add. And here multi is extending sub, which means that whatever property which sub owns, which it has extended from its parent class and which it owns by its own will be in multi. So here in add, I'm creating 3 instance variables A, B and C. And one method I am creating here is add, and within this method I am initializing A with 10, B with 20 and C equals to A plus B. So here our method's return type is void, so here we have to print system.out.println and here we can say of A and B equals to, addition is in C variable. Now we will come to the subclass which is extending add class. Here I'm declaring one method of type int and name of that method is sub. Here we need not to declare all the variable because it is extending add, that means these variables are available here. We can directly use them. Here I'm initializing A with 10, B with 20 and we can say that C equals to B minus A. As we have taken return type as integer, so we have to return C to main function, return C. And here in multi, now here in multi we don't need to declare these variables because it is already there. It is extending sub which is extending add, so indirectly it is coming here. Now multi is having the sub method also and this add method also. So here I am creating one more method of type int, name is multi, and here I am doing A equals to 2, B equals to 2 and C equals to A multiplied by B and return C. Save. Now here in main method, if we create object of sub class, then it means that we will be able to access this method and this method, not this multi method. So if we want to access all the methods, we need to create the object of this multi. So multi will be having this add method, the sub method and this multi itself. So here multi m equals to new multi, m is our object Now we can say that m dot, our first method is add, whose return type is void. So it will directly print addition of those numbers. So here we have got addition of a and b is 30. Now here I'm declaring two more variables, integer r1 and r2. As we have taken return type int in multi, so we are taking these variables. So I'm saying here r1 equals to m1 dot. Now our next method is sub. Now subtraction m1, it's m. Now r is holding subtraction of a and b. R1. Similarly, we have to do R2 equals to m dot multi, and here we have to print R2. Save, and so here it has printed addition of a and b is 30, subtraction is 10, and multiplication is multiplication is 4. Here it is multiplication. So how it is working? This is our main class. Sub is extending add. That means sub is acquiring all the features, correct properties of this add. So ABC and add method are in sub method along with this sub method, which is its own method. Now multi is extending sub. That means that sub it is having characteristics of multi itself along with sub, and sub is extending add. So it will indirectly acquire that add method along with multi and sub. Save it and we'll rerun it. So addition is 30, subtraction is 10, and multiplication is 4.